Let's look at how to construct a scatter plot and find a line of best fit using the graphing calculator. So you can see here we have a table, and X will be the study hours and Y will be the scores to a test. So you go to your graphing calculator and you go to Stat. You hit enter on edit. We want to enter these lists. I have them already entered here. List 1 will be the X values, so you enter all of those, and then you go to list 2 and you enter the Y values. Once you've done that, you can get a picture of what this scatter plot will look like. Before we do that though, guys, you need to remember to turn your stat plots on. So there's a stat plot here above y equals. We want to go into that menu. So we hit second, y equals, and you'll notice all these plots should say off. We want to turn the first one on. So we hit enter and we highlight on, which is already highlighted, and hit enter there. Now it's highlighting on. So you can go now to zoom, the zoom menu across the top, and we want to select number 9. Number 9 says zoom stat. Hit enter on zoom stat and you get a picture of what the scatter plot looks like. Now I do want to caution you guys, when you're done looking at the scatter plot, you want to make sure you turn your stat plot back off again, turn it off again, because you won't be able to graph a regular line if you leave your stat plots on. That's usually where errors happen. So when you're done with scatter plots, make sure you turn your stat plot off again. Alright, so we have our scatter plot. Now we need to find the line of best fit. So you're going to select stat again, and you're going to arrow once over to calculate. And you want to select number 4, which is linear regression. Linear regression. So we select number 4, brings you to the main screen, hit enter, and there it is. The A value, they use A instead of M for slope. Our slope is 6.27. Our y-intercept is 49.78. So let's write that down over here. That's our equation for the line of best fit. Okay, if you want to see what this looks like on the scatter plot, you can go to y equals and enter this equation. 6.27x plus 49.78, and hit graph, and you'll see your line of best fit drawn on there. Alright guys, that's it for constructing a scatter plot.